You guys want to follow along real quick for a little kitchen DIY I did with I replaced my light fixture by myself. Okay, hold on. Okay, I put this on for eyeglasses, goggles, and breathing and stuff, because I'm gonna go clean that, and I'm gonna go clean that right there. And who knows what's up there. Enough, buddy. Stop. Get that thing out of here. It's glued on. Okay. Oh wait, no, not yet. Oopsie, not yet. We have to screw something in first. Screw this in first. Kings! Dude. Getting that little grounding screw up. Okay. Now we're going to connect our black wire. Another DIY fail. So I placed the medallion, what I thought was center, but not realizing that I can't fit the little things in those holes now because it's not lining up properly. So now I'm just stuck here and I can't get the medallion back off the ceiling, so I don't know what to do. Shit. Or 3, I think. I had to take off the whole thing because I thought I misplaced the medallion so that the thing didn't fit, but actually I put the wrong screws in the wrong places. So now I've got the whole thing off again, and we're just getting this plate back on here. Why when I have the phone up here it's a problem? It's okay. Okay, Kingsley, that's enough. Oh my god. Bud, calm down. Calm down. Look at Daddy, he's calm. What? I love you. I love you. Okay. I finally got it. That meant having to cut randomly this hole because this won't move. Now I don't know what to do about that because it looks terrible. But I just needed to get this light up because it was literally hanging on by the thread of the wires. So, oh my god, now I don't know what to do. Really nailing this whole DIY thing. It's all the scraps from having to be on that ladder, just cutting around that thing right there. Cause it wouldn't, see, I misaligned. Dumb. I decided I'm gonna take this off and just replace it. I'm just gonna rip it off and I'll replace it by getting one and cutting a line, gluing it on, and eventually I'll paint it. Wish me luck. Oh my god. Oh, it's happening. Thank God. What a mess. Oh shit, I should have done that earlier. I mean, she's pretty. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. She's bright. There she is. I mean, I like it. I think I like it. What if after all this I was like, hate it, take it down? Coming back to this. I have a new ceiling medallion. It's gonna be great, except I have to cut it to fit that gold part right there. right, how come I can't trace it? Wait, right, okay. This is so weird. I'm trying to go in a circle around it. Wait, I can't. Anyway, all right, let's see how this goes. So now I have a bolt cutter. Yes, I own a bolt cutter now. Because for some reason that one screw up there is sitting longer than the other one. And I think it has to do with my ceiling not being straight. So I gotta go cut the end of that off so that the little nubbin can fit on there tighter. So I'm just gonna cut it. You guys ready? Just cut the end of it off. I don't know if this is like smart to do or what. Like, is that gonna be a problem? Let's just do it. So this is the ceiling medallion that's gonna go around the pendant light up on the kitchen. But the inner hole is too small. So I started making a line and cutting with an X-Acto knife or like a box cutter around it. But I realized like that's gonna take forever and it's not gonna look great. So I just purchased on Amazon one of those round drill like hole cutters that goes on a drill. Anyway, that thing's gonna drill right through there so that can just, and then I can pop it up on there. Yes. Okay, so I need to Google how to use this thing. It's a connection to your drill. It's supposed to go on like that somehow, and then that way I can drill that hole, make it bigger. That's for the ceiling medallion for the kitchen. I don't know how to use it. Okay, apparently you just separate these two pieces and you put one in the drill and you put the other one in after the red thing. Gotta take this out first or something. Kingsley's gonna help. Thank you, bud. Ooh, got it. So we're getting, ooh, uh-oh. That's not good. Drop that thing. Oops. Uh-oh. DIY, you guys, and nails, they don't mix. The idea is when I turn this on, nothing should fly off. Are you guys ready? Kingsley doesn't like it. Kingsley doesn't like it. Okay. Kingsley does not like it. I don't like it either, bud, but it's gonna have to happen. Okay, we're gonna do this. Okay, we're gonna do this. So pretty. I'm not really confident about this situation, but it's happening. I've taped it down to this thing so that I can kind of like hold it, and hopefully that's enough, like, you know. Wish me luck. It's XO. Okay, Lone Fox is playing in the background. This is all his fault, I have to say. Not necessarily, but like, I watch his YouTube constantly. Okay, kind of lined up. Okay, I'm gonna give it a go. Lord help us today. Okay, ready? Oh my god, okay. I don't know. Okay. Oh, that's not gonna work. It's just not gonna work. It already jumped off. I'm not gonna do it. I don't like it. We're gonna cut it like this. I don't like it. We're gonna use this. I have the energy for this. The last time I did it, it took like an hour, and I just don't have the energy for it because it just takes forever. But I really want to get this ceiling medallion up, and I really want to get this light project done because I want to get back to the mirror and the bathroom, and I want to go to bed. 30 minutes, 40 minutes in, and this is where we're at. It's not pretty. Okay, I've confirmed that it fits. We've got the glue on. I'm just gonna stick it up there. And we'll be done with this situation. Let's get the light on. Oh, she's cute. She looks really cute. I am gonna change that bulb though because it's just too big. I'm gonna get a smaller one, but she's cute, you guys. Okay, we'll keep her for now. So cute.